of the day. Hello everyone! Here are some best word of the day for all kids. So let's get started. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today's word of the day is word of the day is excellent, meaning superior. Word of the day is contented, meaning satisfied. Word of the day is surprise, meaning shock. Word of the day is big, meaning large. Word of the day is answer, meaning response. Word of the day is contribute, meaning to give something. Word of the day is finish, meaning complete. Word of the day is glad, meaning happy. Word of the day is beautiful, meaning pretty. Word of the day is difficult, meaning hard. Word of the day is alike, meaning same. Word of the day is delicious, meaning yummy. Word of the day is interesting, meaning exciting. Word of the day is infant, meaning baby. Word of the day is sad, meaning unhappy. Word of the day is always, meaning forever. Word of the day is start, meaning to begin. Word of the day is near, meaning close.